Hey everyone, welcome back to SamResolve. Last time we imported all kinds of files into Resolve, MP4s, JPEGs, WAV files, MP3 into DaVinci Resolve. And today we're wrangling all that chaos into playlists or, well, catalogs. Since Resolve called them bins, think of it as the editing mixtape, organized, chill, and ready to roll. So, let's dive in. Alright, here's the deal. You've got your clips piling up in the media pool after importing video, pics, audio, all jumbled. Resolve doesn't have a playlist button like YouTube, but bins, they're your secret weapon. Think of bins like folders, your personal stash spots. Right. Step 1. Make a bin. Right click in the media pool, hit new bin, name it something fun like cat clips or epic drone shot. Boom, you've got your playlist started. Double click into the bins, grab your click in, say all your MOVs from a last shoot or MP4s. It's like tossing mixtape track into a pile. Don't stop at one, make more. Right click, one bin for your video clips, another for stills, one for audio, name it audio. Now you can import all your audio into here. Hit wave, shift click here to select all. Drop it in. This is your audio. Stills, we got a couple of stills right here. Drag it and drop it here. These are my stills. These are random pictures. Now your catalog is looking tidy. Ready to edit? Open the bin that say your cat clips. Right here, I'll just rename it as videos. Control A or Command A to select all and drag them into the timeline. There, your instant playlist is here. Or right click at your bin, create new timeline using select the bin, and you will ask, you create new timeline, use project settings, create, and there you go. Resolve stack it for you. Your catalog is now a rough cut, no sweat. Now level up. Nest bin inside bins. For example, go to master, videos. Now I actually want to import some cat clips. I can select all, create bin with selected clips, and I can name this GoPro because these are shot on the GoPro. And I can create a bin called cat clips. I can go back to my master. I can create a new bin, call it sequence or timelines. Go to my videos, go to my timeline, cut it and paste it over here. This is my rough cut. Yeah. So to next bin inside bins, we can create a new one. Let's say archive. Right now, I got my rough cut and I'm going to start a fresh cut. I'm going to duplicate timeline, name this cut 1. And I can put my rough cut in the archive and start working on a new timeline. And I can still find my rough cut right here. These are my rough cut. And I got my first cut right here for first revision. And also I can go back to stills. I can create a new bin. Let's call it visual effects, or maybe another bin for emojis. Go to my audio. These are the audio for my clips. I can nest them, create bins with selected clips. Let's call them GoPro. Go back to my audio. Let's create a new bin. For example, I want to put a background music, BGM, or you can call it music. And I get a new bin. I can call it VO for voiceovers. It's like sub playlist, perfect for big projects when you're juggling tons of footage and revisions. That's your playlist game. Bins are Resolve's way of cataloging. It's your editing sandbox. Organize your way, one chill step at a time. So guys, that's it for the video. So if you guys like this one, make sure you also check out my next video where I talk about effects and filters. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. And as always, Take care.